Welcome back, dear students. You attempted the concept of scale numerical paper R. Now let us solve all 15 together, step by step. Keep your scorecard ready. Let's begin. Question 1. 1 centimeter represents 25 meters. Bring both to the same unit. 25 meters is 2500 centimeters. So the RF is 1 by 2500. Option C. Question 2. A 1.8 kilometer road is shown by 36 centimeters. 1.8 kilometers is 180,000 centimeters. RF equals 36 divided by that R, which gives 1 by 5,000. Option B. Question 3. On a map of RF 1 by 5,000, 1 centimeter times 5,000 is 5,000 centimeters, that is 50 meters. Option B. Question 4. 40,000 square meters drawn as 16 square centimeters. So 1 square centimeter is 2,500 square meters. Take the square root. 1 centimeter equals 50 meters. Option B. Question 5. 8.4 centimeters on an RF of 1 by 10,000. Multiply 84,000 centimeters, which is 840 meters. Option B. Question 6. 3 kilometers on a plan of RF 1 by 6,000. 3 kilometers is 300,000 centimeters. Divide by 6,000 of 50 centimeters. Option B. Question 7. Length of scale equals RF times the maximum distance. 1 by 4,000 times 50,000 centimeters, that is 12.5 centimeters. Option B. Question 8. Shrinkage factor is the shrunk length divided by the original length. 19.6 divided by 20 or 0.98. Option C. Question 9. The shrunk RF equals the shrinkage factor times the original RF. 0.98 divided by 2,500, approximately 1 by 2,551. Option C. Question 10. First, the apparent length 12 times 2,400 is 288 meters. Now divide by the shrinkage factor. 288 divided by 0.96, 300 meters. Option C. Question 11. On an RF of 1 by 1,000, 1 square centimeter represents 100 square meters. So 50 square centimeters is 5,000 square meters. Option B. Question 12. The physical length on the plan is 100 divided by 20 or 5 centimeters. Now apply the correct scale. 5 times 10, 50 meters. Option C. Question 13. For area, we square the ratio of the scales. 8 over 10 squared is 0.64. Multiply by 500, 320 square meters. Option D. Question 14. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters and 1 mile is 160,900 centimeters. Divide approximately 1 by 63,360. Option B. Question 15. 1 hectare is 10,000 square meters. So 2.5 hectares is 25,000 square meters. Option B. So, how many did you get? Above 13. Brilliant. Remember these three. RF is always drawing over ground in the same units. For a shrunk map, multiply the RF by the shrinkage factor. And for a wrong scale, use the ratio of the RFs squared for area. Comment your score below. Grab more papers from Telegram and do subscribe to Learn Civil Easy. Keep it simple, keep it consistent. Happy learning.